If a payment amount will cover only a portion of the balance due, the Short Pay button must be used. You can specify which items within an invoice that payments are applied to in cases where the invoice is not being paid in full. To begin, first navigate to the Payments menu and select the location and account you wish to work with. Make sure the invoice status is set to open so that you can view all open invoices with a remaining balance. Begin by entering the payment amount and select your payment method. Select your payment date and enter the reference ID. Next, click Apply in the row of the invoice that you wish to apply the payment to. You will see that the payment amount is now in the Amount to Apply field. Next, click the Short Pay button. The invoice details will appear at the bottom of the screen, with the payment amount distributed proportionately to all invoice line items. You can leave the amounts distributed as is or change them in the fields to the right of the Amount column. Once finished, click on Save Short Pay to save the amounts, or click Cancel Short Pay if you do not wish to save the distributed amounts. Once saved, the payment will apply to the invoice and you will now see the current balance due.